Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, baby. Their beaks are hair. It's like hair, like rhino horns. So if somebody misses and hits my finger, it doesn't matter. And their vision kind of points down a little bit. So if you go to feed them, you gotta put it low. One. Yeah? Okay. She said, no, I'm not taking it. And birds are like cats. They do what they want. They like you, they come and see you. I have an order to do. So it's going to be a short video this morning with one snowy egret. Baby, you're so cool. I cut him up, put him in a container, and that's what we made our omelet with yesterday on the other channel. Baby. Snowy egret. About 18 inches tall, yellow feet, black beak. And when they're young, their legs are green, which I found to be quite interesting. It's a quiet bird. They can't bite. Its defense is flying away or hiding, I would assume. They fish. But they fish in like swampy areas, not ocean fishers. And they're all over the world. But this one's mine every morning for a little while.